Hey everyone, welcome. I'm Pravin, and today we'll be tackling a hot topic in the world of composites manufacturing. You might have heard whispers that filament winding is dead. Well, I'm here to tell you it's not dead. In fact, it's evolving into something even more powerful. What you're looking at isn't the death of filament winding, it's the rebirth. We have developed a system that combines the best of traditional filament winding with cutting-edge automated fiber placement. The result? A manufacturing powerhouse that's about to change everything you thought you knew about the composites manufacturing. Let's start with a quick history lesson. In the world of composites manufacturing, we have had two major players, filament winding and automated fiber placement, or AFP for short. Filament winding has been our go-to for making hollow, symmetrical parts. It's cost-effective, fast, and great at managing fiber tension, but it's got its limit. Mainly, it struggles with complex shapes, varying thickness, has to follow geodesic paths, and such. On the other hand, AFP brought us precision and flexibility to work with thermoset, thermoplastics, and being able to do much larger part. It can handle complex geometries and place fiber with pinpoint accuracy, but it's relatively slower and quite much more expensive, especially for simpler parts. Now, what if we could combine the best of both worlds? Enter the game changer, our AFP-XS system. This system integrates filament winding capabilities into an existing AFP systems. So here's why it's so exciting. It's versatile, so it can switch between high-speed winding and precise placement on the fly. It handles complex shapes. So we are talking about non-geodesic wound parts. You can have complex ply drop-offs, you name it. It's efficient, so high speed when possible and precision when necessary. Amazing fiber control, so precise tension management and ability to cut and restart the fibers within the layup anywhere. And the material flexibility, so it works with everything from traditional pre-pregs, toe pregs, to dry fibers to thermoplastics. But what does this mean in the real world? Let me give you some example. We can now make asymmetric shapes for pressure vessels, design pressure vessels with not just full continuity. You can cut the fiber at any place and restart at any place, and have complex aerostructures made with the same system. For marine structures like masts and hydrofoils, and optimize the fiber direction not only in a straight line but in the fiber steered manner. For automotive components that could be wound and reinforced with selective reinforcement in certain areas. And the best part is, the system is plug and play. That means any existing robot arm can be converted into an AFP and filament winding system with minimal investment. We are democratizing advanced manufacturing systems here. But we are not stopping here. This technology is opening up some mind-blowing possibilities for the future. Structures designed by the use of latest machine learning technologies to maximize the performance and minimize the weight. Composites that integrate structural, electrical, and thermal fluctuations all in one. Manufacturing systems that adopt and optimize in real time. Serious sustainability gain with improved material use and potential for in-situ recycling. In conclusion, the integration of AFP and filament winding in our AFP-XS system isn't just an upgrade, it's a paradigm shift in composites manufacturing. We're not killing filament winding, we are supercharging it. The implications for industries from aerospace to automotive are tremendous. If you're excited about this technology, as we are, I've got great news for you. We have prepared a comprehensive deep dive blog that covers all the technical details we have discussed today and more. You will find the link in the description below. And if you're ready to revolutionize your manufacturing process, reach out to us at Addcomposites. We are here to help you harness the power of the AFP-XS system and take your composites production to the next level. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more insight into the future of composites manufacturing. Thank you for watching, and remember, with Addcomposites, filament winding isn't dead, it's evolving, and the future of manufacturing is just starting now. Thank you.